Which air fryer microwave combo is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the answer. Today, we're uncovering the top 5 options that really stand out. Product number 1, TOSHIBA 8-in-1 Combo. First up is the TOSHIBA Air Fryer Combo 8-in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven. It caught my eye with its sleek black stainless steel finish and multifunctionality, priced at $199.99. If you want a reliable kitchen companion that can do it all, this is worth a serious look. What makes this product shine is its 8-in-1 functionality. Plus, with a microwave output of 1000 watts, it heats things up quickly, perfect for those busy weeknights. The 12.4-inch turntable fits a whole chicken or large pizza, so meal prep for the family just got easier. Here's why this matters for you. It saves time and space while delivering healthy, crispy meals with less fat. Now, some users mention that the control panel can be a bit tricky to figure out at first. Here's the thing though, it's not a deal breaker. Once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward, and you'll appreciate the diverse functions it offers. This is perfect for you if you need a multifunctional appliance that can replace multiple kitchen gadgets. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler microwave without the air frying capability. At $199.99, it offers great value for all the features. Product number 2, Ninja Toaster Oven Combo. Next is the Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Priced at $149.95, this one stands out for its compact design that flips up to save counter space. If you want a space saver that still packs a punch, this is worth checking out. The Ninja boasts 8-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, roast, bake, and even dehydrate. It's got a powerful 1800 watts that ensures your food cooks evenly, thanks to its oven crisp technology that circulates air for even cooking. You can fit a 12-inch pizza or up to 6 slices of bread, making it perfect for family meals. Here's why this matters. It not only saves energy but also cuts cooking time significantly. However, some users found that it can run a bit hot, which might lead to slight overcooking if you're not careful. But honestly, once you adjust the cooking times, it does a fantastic job and the results are crispy and delicious. This is ideal for you if you want a compact appliance that doesn't compromise on functionality. Skip this if you need a larger capacity or a dedicated microwave. At $149.95, it's a solid investment for a multifunctional kitchen appliance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more capacity. Product number 3, TOSHIBA 4-in-1 Combo Black. Coming in at number 3 is another TOSHIBA product, the 4-in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven. Priced at $229.87, this model offers a stylish black stainless steel finish that fits well in any kitchen. If you're looking for a good balance between capacity and functionality, this one's worth a look. With a large 1.5 cubic feet capacity, you can easily fit a whole roasted chicken or a 12-inch pizza. The smart sensor cooking ensures that your food is cooked just right, which is a fantastic feature for busy individuals. This matters because it means less guesswork and more perfect meals every time. Now, some users have mentioned that the controls can be a bit sensitive, which may lead to accidental settings changes. But honestly, it's not a huge issue once you get used to it, and it's a small price to pay for the convenience and versatility it offers. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and multifunctional appliance that takes care of your cooking needs. Skip this if you prefer a simpler microwave without air frying features. At $229.87, it's a great investment for a multifaceted kitchen tool. Now, if the sensitive controls made you hesitant, the next product might offer you a bit more control with its advanced features. Product number 4, TOSHIBA 4-in-1 Combo Silver. Next up, we have the TOSHIBA 4-in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven in Silver, priced at $271.99. It's similar to the previous model but has a sleek silver finish that can elevate your kitchen's aesthetic. If you're after style combined with functionality, this is a great choice. With a large capacity of 1.5 cubic feet, you won't have trouble cooking for the family. It also features a smart sensor that adjusts cooking time and power, ensuring your meals are never overcooked. This feature is crucial for busy families who want perfect results every time. However, some reviews pointed out that the interior can be a bit tricky to clean, especially the corners. Here's the thing though, using a damp cloth with some vinegar usually does the trick, and it's a small sacrifice for all the cooking capabilities it offers. This is perfect for you if you value both style and functionality in your kitchen appliances. Skip this if you're looking for something easier to clean. At $271.99, it's a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about cooking. Now, if cleaning is a big concern, the last product on my list offers some fantastic features that might ease that worry. Product number 5, TOSHIBA Inverter Combo. Finally, we have the TOSHIBA Countertop Microwave Oven Air Fryer Combo with inverter technology, priced at $399.99. This one is the ultimate kitchen helper, perfect if you want high versatility in one appliance. If you need a multitasking powerhouse, this should definitely be on your radar. The inverter technology ensures even cooking without cold spots, which is a game changer for reheating leftovers or defrosting food properly. The rapid heat circulation technology means you can enjoy crispy, fried foods without the excess oil. Here's why this matters. You can indulge in your favorites while keeping meals healthier. However, the price might be a bit steep for some, and it has fewer auto-cook presets compared to other models. But honestly, the flexibility and cooking quality you get are worth it, especially if you cook regularly. This is perfect for you if you want the ability to cook a variety of dishes with precision. Skip this if you're on a tight budget. At $399.99, it's a premium option, but it delivers exceptional quality and performance for serious home cooks. So there you have it, the top 5 air fryer microwave combos that can truly enhance your cooking experience. Whether you need something compact like the Ninja or a high-performance powerhouse like the TOSHIBA Inverter, there's definitely an option for you. Choose based on your cooking needs and style, and you'll have a kitchen appliance that makes meal prep a breeze.